Alright, so this is a little video of the two-stage rev limiter with the engine or the hood open. And it's set at 3,000 RPM. And it actually builds some boost too, so it didn't that time, but it did last time. There we go. And let's do an exhaust video of it. Not sure how this is going to pick up. Set the phone on the ground. You see my license plate there. Set it on the ground so you can hear it with the camera up. So I hope you guys were able to hear that. Watch out for some more videos coming out at a later date. Thank you guys. Be sure to subscribe.